Okay, so in this one, I'm going to talk about volumes. What are the two volumes that are seen? Well, when we look at the correct cycle, we're looking at the EDV and ESV. That represents the end diastolic volume and the end systolic volume, respectively. And so, end systolic volume occurs at point A. Why? Because at point A, the volume of blood left in the ventricle at the end of the ventricular ejection is what represents the end systolic volume. Okay? And that is usually 50 milliliters. Now, the end diastolic volume, which represents at point C, that represents the volume of blood in the ventricle at the end of the ventricular diastole. That is before the ventricle contracts. So how much blood it's inside the ventricle before it's ejected into the aorta. And so what can be utilized from the EDV and ESV is the stroke volume. Okay, so the difference of them gives you the stroke volume. So any change of the end diastolic volume as well as the end systolic volume will change the stroke volume, and that's very important, as we'll see later. And yeah, let's go on and talk about the pressures.